Hi guys, ARP here. I hope you might have watched the videos on imaginary numbers. Right, I have expected more comments regarding that. You might be having some more doubts regarding how this happens or how that happens, but unfortunately we don't have any comments. So what I thought is, instead of boring you with too much of math, I thought of moving on to physics. If you still really have certain concepts in math to be explained more, please leave me some comments so that I'll work on the next post, and I'll give you some detailed information on the post. I think I thought of doing in differentiation and integration as the next post, but unless we don't have more interaction, I thought of leaving those stuffs and moving on to physics concepts. So before moving on to physics concepts, let's just know that what really physics is. So we have been studying physics for a long time. So if you just put it in Wikipedia, it will give you it's a study based on this and that and blah 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 stuff. So what really physics means, and we are studying a lot of laws and what really does these things mean. So as to get a good idea of what physics really is I'll just tell you an example. So if some guys are playing chess and you don't know anything about chess, you just go and sit there and watch them playing chess. So at the first step they used to move the pawns in soldiers in one step. So you think that the soldiers can move in one steps and only in forward direction but not in the reverse direction. So from your observation you just think that okay, every coin can move only in the forward direction and like that. So and after some time a person makes a move of the bishop in a cross direction, and while you are observing, the bishop seems to be moving only along diagonals but not in the straight path. So then you just make a note that bishops can move only in diagonal paths. So okay, then that's fine. So again, while you are observing these kind of stuff, you are observing a thing that no coins can cross any other coins. If there is something blocking the path, then you can't move. So you're just making a note that no coins can move if some other coin is blocking the path. So you will be thinking like this unless you see the knight move. So what a knight moves is it can cross over, and unless the destination is open, it can jump over any of the coins even if the path is blocked. So that's what knight does. So what you do is you will strike off the thing whatever you have made earlier, and you will write something as only knights can jump over other coins and these things. So this is what really happens in physics. So Mother Nature is playing a game, a chess kind of game. We don't know the rules. We are just observing what she is playing, and Mother Nature is playing games in such a way that we are making notes of these things, and we are proposing this as physics laws, and that is the intuition behind what is physics. So as we progress through these kind of things, I think the things will make sense. So as of now, we might have seen a lot of theories and a lot of things. These are only based on observations. So people used to observe how things go around our world, and they used to make a note of it. So if it is accepted by everyone, then we'll make it a law. So that's what a physics law is. So, but even if you play chess and you can't say that every event happens while playing the chess. Such as there is certain moves such as castling which will happen or may not happen, but sometimes it can occur rarely, right? So these kinds of even in actual what are the things going around us, we do such kind of occurrences. When people observe these kind of occurrences, they start to think about what is happening behind this and what Mother Nature is applying a law behind that kind of a move. So while as we are trying to keenly watch the moves made by Mother Nature, you are making a note of things as physics laws. And believe me that as we haven't completely defined the set of rules played by Mother Nature, we have a lot of mysteries to be unrevealed. So with that aspect, we'll move on, and I'll just and as of now, I am not going to explain any concepts for this post. I'll just give you what physics is, and I'll just tell you what else. I have some basic questions haunting over me for a period of time. So if you see, there are a lot of questions. I'll just put over the questions, and I think in the future I'll try to cover each and every question. So the first and bigger question during my childhood days, and I have realized why that is one. That the question is actually we are appreciating Newton, right? So we might have heard the apple story falling in his head. And actually, do you think that Newton has? We just say that our teachers used to say that Newton was highly praised because he has found the law of gravity. He has found gravity. So a lot of us has the misconception that he has found gravity. So what does finding gravity means? So even my childhood, I understood like this, that he had given the name gravity to the force that is attracting to us. So that I can do. So why Newton is so much popular? These questions will be revealed in the next post. And I still have some more questions. I'll just let open these questions. You just think of it, and in the future post we'll cover these topics. So what heat is? What is the temperature? Why glasses look transparent, why materials have colors, so what really light is, what are waves, so if there is something as a basic of the build-up of the material, then what is it? Is it proton, electron, or neutron, or still there is something beyond it? And I think I just covered some topics, but I might have left some. But in the future course, surely you'll be having some. And I really appreciate if you do come up with the question and you leave it in the comments, and it will be surely answered in the next post. So as of now, I am not receiving any comments from you guys, but with the hope I'm moving on, that surely I'll one day that people will get to know. Actually, this is a kind of what say during my childhood. I really like physics, but I have to struggle it too much to learn this. But I thought of giving it easy to you guys, but no one really appreciates it. I feel a little bad, but I hope that one time or other time you guys will get to know what that you will also start appreciating that it is beautiful. And I would like to give this easy to you guys. So if you do have some post or questions, you just give me a comment in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them in the next post. And thanks for watching.